హలో అండి, వెరీ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విదాత్రి. సో ఈ రోజు లైవ్ సెషన్లో మనం బ్యూటిఫుల్ న్యూ కలెక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాన్సీ శారీస్ చూద్దాం. ఫ్యాన్సీ శారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా ఈరోజు మంచి బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలర్స్లో ఉన్నాయి. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యూ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ లవ్ ఇట్. అండ్ మీకు నచ్చిన శారీని మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మా నెంబర్కి మెసేజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ద నెంబర్ ఇస్ 7396382067. అండ్ వీర్ ఆల్సో షిప్పింగ్ దీస్ శారీస్ వరల్డ్ వైడ్. ఒక్కసారి గ్లాన్స్ చూసేద్దాం ఈరోజు మనం లైవ్లో ఏమేమి శారీస్ చూడబోతున్నాము. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద కలెక్షన్స్ టుడే. మొత్తం కూడా న్యూ అరైవల్స్ అండి. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్స్ కూడా చాలా చిన్నగా చక్కగా ఉన్నాయి. యూ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ లవ్ ఇట్. ఆల్ ద కలెక్షన్స్ కూడా ఐల్ బీ షోయింగ్ వన్ బై వన్ ఈచ్ శారీ అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్. చాలా చాలా చక్కగా కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ దీస్ విల్ బీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఈవెన్ ఫర్ ఎనీ ట్రెండీ అకేషన్స్ ఆర్ మంచి ట్రెడిషనల్ అకేషన్స్కి కూడా సూట్ అయ్యే శారీస్. సో లవ్లీ ఇజంట్ ఇట్. సో మనం లైవ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేద్దాం వితౌట్ ఎనీ డిలే. అండ్ అన్ని కలర్స్ కూడా మనకి ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ కలర్సే ఉన్నాయండి. సో హరీ అప్. అండ్ మీకు కనుక శారీ నచ్చినట్లయితే వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మా టీమ్కి మెసేజ్ చేసేయండి సో దాట్ దే విల్ బ్లాక్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ శారీ. లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద లైవ్. అండ్ ఎస్, నేను వేసుకున్నది వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రిటియెస్ట్ కలర్. చాలా చాలా మంచి కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ అండి. యూ కెన్ సీ ద పింక్ కలర్, రోజ్ పింక్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ చాలా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. వెరీ లైట్ వెయిట్ విత్ అ థిన్ బార్డర్. యూ కెన్ సీ ద బార్డర్ రన్నింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ ద సైడ్స్ అండ్ బాటంలో కూడా మనకి థిన్ బార్డర్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇట్స్ లుక్స్ చిక్ ఆన్ ఎవ్రీ వన్. యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ పిక్ దిస్ సారీ అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ దిస్ సారీ టేక్ ద స్క్రీన్ షాట్ and message to our team. Our team will assist you on that. We'll go with the first saree now. We'll begin with the pastel color. This is one of the pastel color, light green with pink color combination. Such a lightweight saree. You can see the texture, how beautiful it is. And the body of the saree is having silver zari designs running throughout the body. Lovely saree with a lightweight combination and same size borders running on either sides, which is pink in color and with golden color weave. Such a beautiful design, Andy. Hope you loved it. Take the screenshot and message to our team. This is the pallu. Very beautiful contrast, which is pink in color and manki thread finishing kuda vastundi almost all the sarees ki kuda. And this one is very colorful. And we have got a blouse, very beautiful and decent combination blouse. So this is how we can pair up. And this saree is priced at 4,249. These are the Vidatri special collections and new arrival sarees. I hope you definitely love all the sarees. Live skip cheyakunda mottam chudandi. You will find your favorite collection today. And na venkala number board undi, so you can just take the screenshot of that and message your favorite saree and block that. This is light grey with light brick shade color of pink ala vastundi manki. Very different color combination and the body of the saree is having beautiful floral designer running throughout the body. And the border is simple and elegant with diamond patterns. So border lo manki diamond patterns kanipistundi, which is with a golden color weave, and the saree is very lightweight and beautiful. And this is the pallu with the contrast color. Such a lovely designer on it with brocade pattern and thread finishing kuda vastundi. So today almost all the sarees are having the thread finish and this is the blouse with self embossed design and a beautiful border. So this is how we can team up. So ila vastundandi manaki combination chaala beautiful ga undi. We can stitch the blouse like this pattern and the saree is priced at saree price at so saree prices are almost like manaki 7,000 below our range lo undandi. Chala manchi beautiful sarees and lightweight. This is green with blue color combination, such a prettiest one. And saree mottam kuda manki silver zari to design ostundandi. It's a designer saree with square boxes inside. Very pretty saree combination and border vachesi manki pedda border vastundi, which is a skirt border, and it has some traditional designs on it, peacock, elephant, florals. Everything is so traditional and antique. Hope you love this saree. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team such that they'll lock your favorite saree. And this is the pallu with border continuation. And for this, we have got a blouse with a bigger border. So we can stitch it till the elbows only. It looks very, very beautiful on us. So this is the combination, and this saree is priced at 1,999. Let's move on to the next color. This is one more beautiful color, and this color suits for everyone and all the age groups. Such a lovely color. ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి బ్రైట్ మెజెంటా పింక్ షేడ్ వస్తుంది with a lovely chocolate color thread work border, which is with light golden color mixed shade. Such a lovely color combination, and body of the saree kuda beautiful motifs vastundi. It's running throughout the body, and two different size borders running on either sides. If you love the saree, please to take the screenshot and message to the WhatsApp number. And this is the pallu with the contrast finish. Such a lovely color combination. And for this, we have got a blouse with a self embossed pattern and a bigger border. So we can team up like this, or we can go with half sleeves or bell sleeves. And the price is 1,619. Very affordable cost, Andy. The Datri special collections, new arrivals kuda. So we have got it in a best rate. This is one more lovely color, white with pink color. So white with pink is always an elegant color combination, Andy. Very subtle, and we can use this for any sort of functions and dinners ki kaani parties ki kuda chala baaguntundi saree. And you can see the bottom border, which is very beautiful, which is baby pink in color, and center lo vachesi manaki star designs vastundi. And the body of the saree is having diamond checks, which is with silver weave. Very beautiful saree. This is the pallu with a beautiful ethnic combination. Chala chakkaga undi finishing kuda. And this is the thread finish, which is very colorful with white and pink combination. And we have got a blouse. It's a combination blouse. So this is how we can pair up. Very pretty, or else we can even go with some plain pink blouse as well. And the price is 4,249. We are also shipping these sarees worldwide, Andy. And మనకి వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం వస్తుంది, సో పూజలకి మనం శారీస్ పెడుతూ ఉంటాం కదా. సో దీస్ శారీస్ విల్ బీ గుడ్ ఫర్ దాట్. అండ్ యూ కెన్ సీ దిస్ వన్ మోర్ కలర్. దిస్ ఇస్ లైట్ ఎల్లో విత్ పింక్ కలర్. ఇందాక మనం వైట్ విత్ పింక్ చూసాం కదా. దిస్ ఇస్ లైట్ ఎల్లో విత్ పింక్. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. అండ్ బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద శారీ మొత్తం కూడా క్రాస్ డైమండ్ చెక్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ విత్ సిల్వర్ జరీ. Beautiful motifs running throughout the body, and a simple and elegant border running on either sides, which is pink color. And this is the pallu. It's a contrast color, little bit dark. Manam single ga kuda ila flaunt chesukochu. Looks very beautiful. And for this, we have got a blouse. So this is the blouse combination. This is how we can team up. We can go with the bell sleeves, and the price is 4,249. We'll move on to the next one. So this is dark violet color with beautiful pink color combination. We have some color options in this designer saree, Andy. For that, you can contact to our team. They will assist you. This is violet with pink, as I said, and the body of the saree is having beautiful designer running throughout the body, which is with golden color. And border vachesi manaki antique designer border, and it looks like a very traditional border. Looks like a pattu border, fancy style. Such an elegant combination. And this is the pallu with contrast finish and a beautiful brocade designs. And for this, we have got a blouse, which is superb contrast with brown and pink color shade combination. And this is how we can team up. We can even try with a beautiful bead jewelry, and the price is 1,619. These are at a very affordable cost, Andy. So you can order as soon as possible. This is one of my favorite color, dark green. This is bottleneck green with red color combination. This color goes on with everyone and all the age groups. Anta beautiful color, and the body of the saree is having beautiful florals, which is with copper and silver weave. You can see the saree, body of the saree mottham kuda beautiful design vastundi, which is very elegant and bright. And the border is with simple khadi border running on either sides with different sizes. Such a lovely saree, isn't it? You can take the screenshot and message to our team. This is the pallu with contrast finish with a lovely design on it, and set finishing kuda vastundi manaki chakkaga green color. And for this we have got the blouse with a self embossed pattern. So this is how we can team up. Manam deenki beautiful chokers veskochu, and the price is 2099. Very beautiful sarees andi. Don't miss out the sarees. Watch the live completely. You will definitely find your favorite collections are that beautiful today. This is light pink with little dark pink color border. Rendu kuda manchi pink color combination, ladies favorite. And this color also suits for everyone, even for the college going girls. And body of the saree muttam kuda manki florals vastundi, which is with silver color. Such a lovely color combination, manchi pastel color, and this color goes on well for the people who loves light color combinations. And border vachesi manaki chudaniki Banarasi style of design vastundi, running on both the sides. Very beautiful, isn't it? This is the pallu. So pallu is also pretty with beautiful intricate pattern and start finish kuda vastundi. You see how colorful it is. And for this we have got a blouse. So this is the blouse andi, manki light knitted pattern type of blouse vastundi with a thin border. We can team up like this, and the saree is priced at 4249. This is one more lovely color, grey with pink. So grey with pink color combination is like a subtle color combination andi, chala baaguntundi. We can try it for different functions like dinners or parties. So manchi elegant color kada, it goes on well for that. And deenki manam pearl bead jewelry pair up cheskochu. It looks so like a chick anamata. And the body of the saree is having beautiful design running throughout the body. It's a designer, and border vachesariki manaki pink color border with beautiful designs running on it. Lovely color combination. We have some color options in this type of saree, so you can contact to our team for that. And this is the pallu with contrast, which is pink color. Such a lovely one. Manam ila single ga kuda flaunt cheskochu, and the saree is very lightweight. And this is the blouse. Such a beautiful blouse combination, and this is how we can team up. And this saree is priced at 4249. We'll move to the next fancy saree. So this is one more beautiful color saree andi. So this is red color with pink color border. Such a beautiful one. Manki chudaniki manchi pattu types lo chala beautiful ga undi. You can see the saree, and body of the saree mottam kuda manki mango designs ochindi, which is with silver weave, and the border is with golden weave. So two sarees in this saree, looking very awesome. And border lo kuda manaki manchi traditional designs ostundi. You can see the detailing very clearly. Such a beautiful one with two different size borders running on either sides. And this is the pallu with green color contrast. Such a beautiful contrast. And for this we have got a blouse. So blouse kuda manki combination color lo ostundandi, and this is how we can team up. We can even try some stone works on it, and the price is 1529. Very beautiful price. Manchi affordable price lo unnayandi sarees anni kuda. Hope you love it. Manchi fancy sarees looking like pattu classic. So these are like classic collections. And this is one more beautiful color, peacock blue with pink. So peacock blue colors anevi andari favorite colors andi, and very rare color. We find it very less often. So this is one of a kind, and body of the saree is with circles and silver zari design running throughout the body. And border vachesariki manaki manchi antique designs to ochindi, which is with peacocks and florals. It's a bigger border. So manam pleats pettukunnappudu chala andanga kanipistundi, because that's the speciality of the bigger borders. And the other side it's a thin one. This is the pallu with border continuation. And the blouse. So the blouse comes with self embossed pattern and a bigger border. So this is how we can team up, and the saree is priced at 1999. This is one more beautiful color andi. Indaka manam grey color lo chusam kada. So this is light orange. So we have two colors in this design. So please take a note of it, and you can take the screenshot of your favorite color saree. This is also light orange with mango designs running throughout the body with a silver weave. And the border is having a golden color booties, very lovely on the border. which is little dark peach color. Such a lovely combination. It suits for all the traditional occasions. And this is the pallu with contrast color, beautiful pink, which is with beautiful brocade pattern. Lovely color combination Andy, and this is the blouse. So this is a blouse we can team up like this, or we can even go with some embroidery works on it to make it more elegant. And the price is 1529. You can even come down to our store and you can visit our store and explore our store and find your favorite sari here with Asri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. And this is one more traditional color, looks like a Kerala style of sari, such a beautiful one. Cream with green color combination. Very lovely, isn't it? If you like the sari, please do take the screenshot because we have only one color in this pattern. And border kuda manaki different sizes lo vastundi. The bottom border is with golden zari and florals on it. And the body of the sari is simple and elegant with light designer running throughout the body. This is the pallu with a contrast shade and with intricate pattern. And here's the blouse with self-embossed designs and a beautiful border. And this is how we can team up. Such a beautiful combination. We can pair up with temple jewelry. And the price is 1599. We'll move on to the next one. Wow, this is one more beautiful color. Such a lovely color. Copper sulphate blue with green. It's like a different unique color combination and suits for everyone too. Color combination chala chakkaga undi, and the body of the sari is having beautiful booties which is with copper weave and two different size borders running on either sides with antique designs on it. And border lo kuda meeru akkadakkada silver color florals chudochu. Chala beautiful and bright. You can see it very elegant. And this is the pallu with contrast finish and intricate pattern. Lovely, isn't it? And if you like the sari, please do take the screenshot and book your favorite one. And this is the team up. Lovely color combination. So this sari is priced at 1619. So you can even note down the prices Andy. You can see all the saris are at the best price today. This is light parrot green with pink color combination. So the border is having the diamonds Andy, which is with copper weave, chala light and beautiful ga undi. One of the ethnic style, and the body of the sari is having florals which is white in color. Such a lovely fancy sari. And this is the pallu with contrast finish which is pink in color, and you can see the polka dot type of patterns on it, which is very elegant. Detailing kuda chala clear ga undi. And here's a thread finish which is very colorful. And we have got a blouse with self-embossed pattern, and this is how we can team up. Very beautiful, isn't it? And the sari is priced at 2099. This is one of my favorite colors, such a lovely color. It suits for everyone. Orange with navy blue color combination. So the body of the sari is very lightweight and you can see the texture, how beautiful and light soft material type ostundi, like soft knit material. And meeku nachinatlaite sari ee number ki order cheyandi 7396382067. And you can see the border copper zarita ostundi, and you can see the florals which is with silver color work. Chala beautiful and bright. This is the pallu with navy blue color and with intricate pattern on it. Chat finishing kuda vachindi manaki. And here is the blouse. So beautiful blouse combination. And this sari is priced at 1619. Many beautiful saris are at a price of below 2000 andi. Such a lovely color kada, and price kuda chala takku range lo undi, so you can order as soon as possible. This is light pink with little dark pink shade, chala beautiful color. This suits for all the girls and ladies who love this pink color. And the body of the sari is having beautiful florals running throughout, and two thin borders running on either sides, which is with a light golden color weave. And here's the pallu with beautiful brocade pattern, and deenki manaki thread finishing kuda ostundandi, manchi colorful thread finish, and a pretty blouse. So this is the blouse pair up, very pretty, and the price is 4249. And here is one of the beautiful color again. This is sandal color with pink color combination. This is a traditional style only. The color combination kuda you can pair up for the temples or any poojal ki kuda chala baguntundi. Even for Varalakshmi Vratham everyone gift cheyalana kuda these sarees will be perfect fit. And the body of the saree is having beautiful florals which is with silver color and two thin borders with florals, and that's with golden weave, pink with the golden weave. This is the pallu with light pink color finish, and manaki thread finishing kuda chala colorful ga vastundi, very beautiful. And here's the blouse. So the blouse is very pretty, and this is the combination. And ee saree price vachesi manaki 4249. This is one more ethnic style, very beautiful and classic. This is violet with blue color combination, such a beautiful design, and the body of the saree is having the colorful designer running throughout the body, which is very beautiful. And the border is with silver zari andi, chala beautiful. So silver zari borders are always the prettiest, chala ethnic ga manchi stylish ga kanipistundi. And you can see the diamonds and florals running on it. This is the pallu with blue color finish and with tiny brocade patterns. And we have got a blouse with self embossed designs, and with the beautiful border we can go with half sleeves or the semi sleeves. And this saree is priced at 1569. This is one more traditional color again. This is peach with white, suits for all the traditional occasions again. Manaki Varalakshmi Vratham ki chala baguntundi. You can just book it as soon as possible. Such a lovely color. And body of the saree mottam kuda manaki light white color florals vastundi, and the border is with golden color designs. Two different size borders running on either sides, and this is the pallu. Such a beautiful pallu with design at the center, which is a floral. And here's the blouse. So the blouse is also pretty with combination. Two colors, it's a combination, and the price is 1569. And yes, that's all for today from the collection of beautiful fancy sarees which are new arrivals for Vidatri. And మేము live save చేస్తాము. Save చేసాక once go through again all the sarees and pick your favorite. Take the screenshot of it and message to 7396382067. We are also shipping the sarees worldwide. And again within 15 minutes lo Vidatri Pattuchira ani Instagram page ki మేము live వస్తామండి. You can just catch us over there, and till then we are signing off here. Bye bye.